YT channel ko ay mag-subscribe ka na. Ito yung itsura ng subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, at subscribe. At i-click mo rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga vlog na gagawin natin. At syempre naman, bago mag-start yung vlog na to, ipapakilala muna natin yung mga makakasama natin ngayong araw. Umpisa natin kay...
Hi, my name is Saidi Jess, ang Manix Spam.
Bahawyay!
Susie Yay!
Adrian Yay!
Yani Jets Yay!
Rain yay!
Berbula Yay!
And this is Daisy, kumakain.
Ayun. So, ayun na nga guys. So, ngayong araw nga, may gagawin kaming vlog. May challenge siya sa itong nabasa. At gusto ko gawin natin yan. At alam ko naman kasi yung mga tao dito is matatalino. Talagang feeling ko lang naman. Matatalino kayo. Kaya, ang gagawin natin ngayong araw ay English for a day. Ibig sabihin, English.
Dog!
Dog.
I can stomach you, ha?
Wala pa. Wait lang. Wait.
English?
No. Tagalog muna. So, English speaking kami ngayong araw lahat. Tapos, kapag nagtagalog ka, o pinakit ka na ng Tagalog, syempre, may gagawin tayong punishment. Which is, iinom tayo na, kayo na bahalang mamili kung suka, toyo, patis, or kapag marami kayo nasabing Tagalog, wasak. Yeah!
Sabi ka naman!
So, kailangan talaga,
Tagalog, ayaw na.
Oo.
Kaya ba?
Pag ganun may punishment, dapat iinom ka ng mga isa doon sa nasabi ko.
Yes.
Para diba, mag-iwasan tayo magtagalogan. Ganun lang naman.
Okay.
So, mag-i-start na to. Bawal magtagalog. Kahit anong word, bawal magtagalog. Kahit English, Carabao lang yan.
Okay.
Go lang yan.
Okay.
At umpisahan natin in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
Siyempre, wait lang, di pa ako start. Ano English yan, syempre? And of course, I'm the leader and I'm going to question the people. The people, okay? And then, I will start to dice. And I will start to Daisuke. Hi Daisuke, how are you
I'm
today?
fine.
It's fine, you?
Yes.
Okay, how's your day?
Good. Slightly bad.
What? Why?
Because it's raining.
It's raining.
I can
Oh.
play basketball.
Oh, it's raining.
Yeah.
Your day is good because it's raining.
No.
What?
Kinda bad.
What did you say? You shut up.
Yours?
Your day. It's
Oh my God! My ear is not good in good condition.
your ear is dirty. Please clean.
I hear different
Yeah.
on day.
Oh, you're so.
I heard. How's your?
You're so. You're so rude.
Okay. Please put. Hey editor, please put.
Yes, because it's rude.
Yeah.
Susie Yay. Okay, Daisuke.
Guys, do you know cabinet? This
No.
You look like walking closet boy.
You look so representative. Oh. Okay, guys, and Daisuke, it's done. No, done. Okay. Successful transaction. Okay.
Bahaw is the next.
And next, the pretty girl. The pretty girl in the pamilya. Okay?
Okay.
I will ask you a question and you answer me, okay? Okay.
Good.
Baoyay. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Bahawyay
Okay.
from...
You said
no.
bahaw yay.
Yes, it's correct.
No, it's leftover yay.
So, Bahaw, I will question you. You answer me.
Yeah.
Yes. How's your day today?
I'm
How's your day
good.
today? What?
I'm good.
So cute. Explain your day. What's good?
Can I see the good?
Yes. Can I see the good? What's the good
Yeah,
of
of
your day?
course.
Yes, of course.
Oh, it's very nice. Very nice.
It's very nice.
Okay.
You looks like pretty little baby.
Yeah. You're so cutie squishy. Oh.
Bahaw, what is your vital statistic?
I'm from Nueva Ecija.
It's correct. It's correct. successful transaction. Now,
Yes.
okay, where will next? Kimi Yai. The beautiful girl in the pamilya.
Yes, the real beautiful girl.
Yes,
The
this is the real
real.
beautiful. Okay,
The real.
Kimi Yai, please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimi Yai. I'm from somewhere.
Yeah. And what's your day today? Oh! How's your day today?
intelligent.
Yes. How's your day today?
Today, I'm great, thank you.
Oh.
What about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Next interview.
No, you're so gorgeous today.
Oh, I don't think so.
She always used to.
Oh, English era. Yeah. So, Kimi Yai is very intelligent and the English of Kimi Yai is very good. Oh. Go guys, and Kimi Yai is done.
Yes.
Done. Okay? Will next, where's Saidi? Saidi? Where's Saidi? Okay, next is Saidi Jazz ng
Manic
Yeah.
Side jazz. Side jazz. Here.
Hi! Saidi! You!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Saidi, please introduce
Of
yourself.
course.
Introduce yourself. What's your name?
No.
Oh, its English is no. Okay. Saidi, what's your day today? How's your day today?
I'm okay.
Oh, you're okay. What? Okay. You okay? What?
Why?
What?
Do you
I
really
like
love
one.
Elaine?
Why? Why you okay today? Oh,
I'm okay.
smile.
I'm okay.
Oh, Saidi, it's so
You're okay.
cutie. Saidi, how's Elaine and you? Ooh. It's good.
Yeah.
He's quiet.
OMG.
He don't want
To write.
to write in
In the left.
Paper.
paper. You know that? You know that? Okay, Saidi is so quiet because her breath is so bad. Okay? Bad breath. Yes. So, Saidi, today is check transaction for Saidi. So, guys, today is so many people here in correct English. Correct English.
Wow.
So, next is Berbula. Oh, ay, no! This pretty girl, cute.
Hi guys, everyone.
Yes.
It's also.
Yes, it's Ursula
Hey,
Yai.
your mouth is so very bad, huh?
It's okay because it's true. Okay? Okay, this is
Okay.
yes. You introduce yourself to the people.
Hi, I'm Susie Ay ng Pamilya, and I'm pretty with a sexy body and with intelligent mind. You know that.
Yeah, it's okay not to be okay. Okay, guys? Okay. So, Susie Ai, how's your
Yes.
day today?
My day is so good because I see the love of my life.
Oh, what?
Right now.
Who's your life of okay? Who's your love of your life? Oh!
Myself, because I stare in the mirror and I
Oh.
see myself.
Oh, it's
And you're
you're
scared.
liar. You scared?
No, I'm not scared of myself.
Why? Why? Because we scared to you.
Oh my God, you're so
Rude.
Funny.
so.
Funny. Yes. Oh, she's talking Tagalog and you drink
Vinegar.
soy sauce and
Why can you so annoying?
you drink later one of the choices of punishment, okay? Because you speak Tagalog.
Suka.
Okay. Vinegar.
Yeah, vinegar.
Two choices because you speak Tagalog twice.
Vinegar again.
Yes, okay. You vinegar and vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay, you later you drink.
Please explain me in the proper
Hygiene.
You drink vinegar later twice.
She
Oh.
said Tagalog tries.
Yes.
Three
You
Tagalog words. That's
drink
why
later, okay?
It's gonna
So
take 3 consequences.
yes. So next, this is the pretty girl.
Yeah.
Pretty girl of Pamilya and she's so little. Yo.
I'm just
Okay.
a little.
Introduce yourself, Yani.
Hi, my name is Yani Jutsiay from Pamilya.
You speak English so well.
Very little.
Oh, it's very good to you, to me. Okay.
Only when we are high school,
Yes.
we always used to speak English when it's English
Is
subject.
Carabao. English Carabao. We
Yeah.
speak English Carabao on my memories.
Yes.
Yes.
I used to.
Yes.
My memory is lost now.
Oh, yeah.
Speak proper
Okay.
English.
You, how's your day today?
I used today as my day.
Oh, it's so good. Very, very intelligent, my BFF. Okay, the Hi, Berbula, yay. You, Berbula, you speak English too?
Yes, I do.
Oh,
Can we ask her something?
oh, she asked you something.
Go ahead.
Oh,
Why do you always want to fight me? Because it's my thing to do with you.
oh.
Why? Then explain me why do you want to do that?
Because it's my
It's your what?
it's my
Can you please
liking,
explain to
okay?
me? Can you please explain to me the proper reason why do you want to fight me? Why do you want to fight me even if I don't
Because
do
your
anything
face
to you?
irritates me.
Oh, she's irritated. Your face. Familiar.
And if my face irritating you, then don't look at me.
Oh,
Correct.
she's.
And where do you want me to look at?
Oh.
Oh, why do you want to look at me when you're being irritated by my
Because
face?
your face is funny.
Thank you. She
Yes,
said
funny.
my face is funny, and that's why she always wanted to look at me, and then she became irritated, then angry, and always get mad at me, and that's not my problem.
Oh.
That's not my problem.
What do you
That's
say to
not
say
my
that?
problem. Okay, and also I just wanted to ask you something, like
What?
why you always flirting, Daisuke?
Oh.
Because I like Daisuke. Okay?
Oh, she's like Daisuke.
With that.
But the problem is Daisuke want me, not you.
Why is he
Not
your
she.
boyfriend?
She's not.
Oh.
He is not she. He's
Yes,
a
I
boy.
corrected me.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You correct.
Daisuke, come here.
No, don't call Daisuke.
Daisuke, come
my,
on.
My mind gonna lost.
Let's hide here. Come on, Daisuke. Oh.
And why are you here?
Oh, why are you
Because I
here?
wanted to. Because I wanted to. Don't call Daisuke because he said to me earlier
I'm not-
that he want to take a bath.
I'm not calling him, okay?
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to her.
Oh, I'm
you
not talking to
copying
you.
me?
Oh, you're calling Daisuke. Daisuke is taking a bath.
Could you shut up?
Oh. That it's a bad word, Ate Susie.
Don't say
You know
that.
Yes. You're
I will
so...
ask my book. Where's dice?
Okay. You ugly shut up.
Oh my God, why you guys being like that to Sister Susie?
It's okay because it's true.
Oh,
Go
then
back to
she's
your
ugly?
side.
No,
No.
she's not
Hey,
ugly.
excuse me. Why are you asking me instead of her?
Oh.
I'm not talking to
Yes.
you actually. We're
No, you're
talking to
talking
each
to me
other.
Yes.
Like what?
You're asking me about you.
Oh, you
me?
English
Why?
good, ah.
Oh.
Oh.
And then? Oh, and then?
And then
And then what? Why are you laughing? What's so funny? There's
I
nothing
want
funny
you to
here.
go away because I don't need you here.
Okay,
I
go on.
Go away! It's for content only, and she asked me to ask you anything that I want to ask. Then that's why I
you
am
can
here.
ask me.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes. But you here, your
And
speech
if
is...
it's not okay to ask you, then why you answering my questions?
Because you're asking me.
Yes,
Okay?
then-
I'm just being respectful.
Oh.
Oh!
And then thank you for respecting me.
Yeah, you can go away now.
Yes,
No,
I
go.
can.
You. Oh.
Goodbye.
Oh!
Oh my God.
The conversation is very good and it's 10 out of 10 for me. Yeah.
10.
Yes. So, I'll wait Daisuke and Daisuke is already here, guys. Hi, Daisuke. Come here. Come,
Fresh
come.
from the bath.
Oh, it's so fresh. And he is handsome. Oh. And hi, this is Anna Verbula. And she's good on talking English.
Hi, Daisuke.
Oh.
Do you know that I like you?
Oh!
Yes.
Ay,
But I don't like
why?
Oh my God! It's so
Ouch!
Oh, do you hear that?
Oh, why? Why you... Yes.
Nothing. I'm just came
She's
here.
the one I love.
Oh, do you hear that?
Do you hear that?
Yes, I do, and I don't care.
And if you don't care, why did you react? Diba? Ba't ka nagre-react kung wala kang pakialam?
Speaking
It's
in
not
Tagalog.
responsible to react, okay?
Oh, kung hindi mo responsible na mag-react, eh bakit ka react ng react?
Ay, ikaw, may karapatan ka ba?
Oh.
Yes, meron akong
Speaking
karapatan na
What's the English of
mag-react.
karapatan?
Oh, you speak Tagalog na, guys.
crazy.
And you have punishment.
Bakit ba English ka ng English? Hindi nga bagay sa'yo.
Eh ano
Oh.
naman pakialam mo kung nag-i-English ako?
Hindi naman pala bagay sa'yo mag-English.
At saka ano naman kung hindi bagay sa akin, may binabagayan ba dapat yung
Ako,
pag-i-English?
bagay kami.
Eh, di ba
Ano?
sa'yo?
Alam mo, dapat umalis ka na dito eh. Hindi ka naman namin kadugo.
Eh,
Tsaka
ano
hindi kami
naman?
bagay ni Daisuke.
Kung hindi mo ako kadugo, tsaka wala kang karapatang paalisin ako dahil si Kuya Yuki yung nag-ampon sa akin, Hanay.
Tsaka sis, kasi sabi din naman ni Yuki, mas pipiliin daw niya yung mga katubo kaysa.
Eh kaya nga, edi hintayin ko
Oh
si
my
Kuya
God.
yung magsabi sa akin kesa sa
Oh my
kanya.
goodness.
Kasi hindi naman siya yung nagpapunta sa akin dito. At isa pa,
God damn.
hindi siya yung dahilan kung bakit ako nandito, ha?
Ay, ikaw, kaya kita patanggalin dito. Alam mo, pilingera ka rin eh, no?
Totoo.
Hindi ka na maganda, pilingera ka pa.
Ay! Uy! Uy!
Ano ang hilig nitong manakit kala nito? Hindi ako lalaban
Ay,
eh.
huwag ka na lumaban!
Ah.
Masyado ka! Kayo naman ang dapat English speaking parati lang to, nag-away na naman
Mahilig
kayo.
manakit yan eh.
Huwag ka nang ano eh, tignan mo, pag nalaman na naman to ni Yuki, ikaw na naman ang lagot.
Oo nga.
Pinatulan mo na naman
Oh
kasi.
my
Eh, sorry na.
God.
Kasalanan mo rin
kasi.
naman.
So dahil nag-Tagalog kayo,
No Tagalog,
ano kala nyo,
hindi.
porket nagganyan kayo, makakaligtas kayo sa akin.
Ganon.
Punishment kayo ni Susie, Yay. Ikaw, tsaka si Berbul. So magka-punishment na ako ngayon para matapos sa tong vlog na to, nag-away-away pa kayo.
May namin ng palit.
Dahil nga suka ang pinili ni Susie at meron tayo ditong patis at suka. Suka daw ang iinumin niya. So dalawa yung iinumin niya. Eto yung muna. Inumin mo na kasi todo Tagalog ka pa kanina. Akala ko naman magaling ka mag-English.
Magaling ako mag-English. Talagang...
Nag-Tagalog ka.
I also...
Kaya inumin mo na yan. Oh! Asim yan. Ayan. So next naman natin si Berbulay. Huwag naman kayo mag-away Mag-away na naman kayo.
Malapit ba ako? Nakalayo ako.
Ayan ah. Oh! So beautiful, girl! So ano dito?
Vinegar.
Oh, vinegar. Umiinom ka ba nito?
Yes, I do.
Ay, umiinom siya suka. Kasi umiinom lang ako ng suka pag may mga balot. Yan. Baka mag-arte-arte ka na naman ha. Ay, umiinom pa siya. Grabe. Oh! It's yummy.
Yes, it's delicious.
Ay, it's delicious! So, ito naman best friend ko, Mahadera, na lagi na lang panapanood to ni Yuki vlog. Lagot ka na naman
Oh,
sis.
ay, kasalanan ko na
So,
naman.
iinom siya patis.
Patis na may suka gusto ko.
Ay, wow, patis na may suka.
Para may
Gaya, alam nyo guys, sasaktan siya. Abangan nyo yung vlog ni Ate Erica, wallpaper reveal. So,
maingay na nasaktan ako.
tignan mo
Pero
kung
ang
ano yung
sakit pala
reaction
talaga
nito.
sa feeling, no? Yung nag-e-expect ka na tapos.
Kasi expectation versus reality, kaya inumin mo na yan, sis. In 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Sarap.
So, yun na nga, na-punishment na namin. At ayan, feeling ko naman mag-enjoy kayo dito. Kaya talaga namang ang gagaling namin mag-English. At huwag nyo kaming gagayahin. So, ayun na mga guys, kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, yung picture ng subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga vlog namin gagawin. And don't forget to spread love, positivity,